What's going on? What's going on? Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel on YouTube. Hey guys, as you know, everything right here is always Bitcoin. I try to give you guys as many updates as possible on what's going on with the marketplace, as well as ideas for getting free coins of all denominations, any kind of cryptocurrency for free, as well. You know, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get updates from me on a continual basis. It's right over in the corner on the right-hand side of your screen. But today, hey guys, it's the news. I just want to talk about news and what's going on and different updates of what's happening. Bitcoin price is at, you can see it up here in the right-hand corner, 18,404. So the question is what's happening right here? Right here, you can see these little structures that look like big buildings and little houses. And at the top, it shows you the what the price was of Bitcoin, and then the fluctuation down below. Kind of crazy, just what's been going on. I think everybody's is aware of this. Why is the market moving so much? But what is the biggest thing right now is I'm now seeing new highs for the top 10 coins. New highs for the top 10 coins. And for instance, look at Ripple, what Ripple just did. You know, you could have easily had tens of thousands of Ripple. And the other day, it moved from like 25 cents up to 86 cents. If you were holding that, you know, you would have been excited. You made some good money on that one. But we have a lot of ones that are moving right now that you can get a lot of volume on. So you watch those top 10s on CoinMarketCap and take a look at that. A little view of CoinMarketCap here, guys. And I have Bitcoin up. And the thing you got to be leery of right now is, sure, go ahead and get your Bitcoin and hold on to your Bitcoin. But if you learn about day trading or whatever, you want to invest that coin right now. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not your financial advisor, but I am not keeping all of my money in Bitcoin right now. While I have money in Bitcoin, I don't keep it in Bitcoin all the time. I move it around into altcoins because I believe there's some altcoins right now that are super cheap that you can sit on right now, because if we get another drop like this one right here that you see, this spike, guys, right here, if you can see that spike, if we get another one right like that going from 18.35 down to, if it stays on it, 13, just over 13, that's a good jump. And when that happens, when that bounce happens, there's particular altcoins that move the other way because people are moving their money out of this and putting it in other locations. Not to mention that all these different hedge funds are coming out that are doing futures trading and stuff. So futures trading is basically betting on whether it's going to go up or down. Well, the suspicions are is Wall Street's betting on it to go down. So look how high we've climbed in a short period of time, and this is a 3-month window. In a short period of time without a huge correction other than the one you see right in here. This was a pretty decent correction, but we need to see a correction because look at this where we were. Right around this point we had a correction. But ever since we were back here around November 10th, we haven't had another big correction that we've been used to seeing. So my suspicions are we're going to be seeing something soon that's resembling something like this drop. And if that's the case, I mean, we're looking somewhere around 10, possibly around 10,000. So now if you're sitting on a bunch of Bitcoin right around when that happens, your value is going to go bye-bye if you don't have a way of trading out of it, okay? So you want to be able to diverse and go into some other altcoins. And I would look at the top 10 in market cap. And I'm going to try to go back there for you guys real quick. Right in here. You want to look at the top 10 in market cap right here. Bitcoin's number 1 right here. And then you want to look down volume, trading volume right here. And they typically, the top 10, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Litecoin. As you can see, they flip-flopped. Litecoin, Cardano, IOTA, Dash, New Money or whatever, which is XEM, Monero, and then it follows up with Bitcoin Gold and Neo and Stellar and EOS, which, by the way, Neo, Stellar, and EOS, watch those, because if Bitcoin comes down, you watch these guys, Stellar particularly, as well as Stellar trades under XLM. That's pretty inexpensive right now. Look at it. It's 26 cents a coin and change. We'd watch those, because if Bitcoin comes down, that Stellar is going to move. I'm almost positive Stellar will move. Neo is going to move. A lot of them will move. So we have to keep an eye on those things. So all I can say right now, I'm not your financial advisor, guys, but definitely don't be just sitting on on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoins are sitting around an all-time high. It's having a problem. It's not breaking at 20,000. And I have a feeling that a lot of people are moving money, from what I'm seeing, a lot of people are moving their money into some other of the top 10 altcoins, and those are going to move. I can almost guarantee it. So if you're in the right one and you have the right volume, you're going to be sitting all right. So back to the news. Cryptocurrencies, wow. They've got trading Bitcoin for altcoins won't shield you from the IRS. What's that crap? Crypto to take center stage at the G20 summit. Well, that's going to be freaking interesting as hell. So let's see what happens there. Markets update. Bitcoin spot prices slide as CME Group opens futures. Now, we talked about that. CME Group is one of the ones that I mentioned in videos a month ago that was going to start futures trading. Now, with that being said, it's just, once again, this price of the Bitcoin is so high right now without a correction. And then you have CME Group and other groups that are doing the futures trading that are going to want to short this damn Bitcoin. So as soon as the bandwagon says, watch people hightailing it out of Bitcoin. And I hope you have your money somewhere in one of those other top 10. Like I said, guys, I just like to go through and read this stuff for you. Bitcoin fees have become infeasible. So that's another one for you guys to take a look at. Once again, Bitcoin price, can it hold? There's so many things coming across it, going against it, that we just don't know. Hong Kong investors rush to enter the Bitcoin market. Once again, it's just going to rise. If it can't make it past that $20,000 mark, and we've got this position that everybody's taking in a future market, it's just more likely that it's going to drop. And it won't go away. It's just going to drop out. And I'm hoping everybody has diversified. There will be only one in an interview with the Via BTC founder, this Yang guy. Read through some of this stuff, guys. Bitcoin Gold, a case study on the cryptocurrency and security problems. Regulators mount up as Bitcoin keeps bubbling. There's so many different things. Look at this. Bitcoin is trading at a 40% premium in Africa. Japanese investors increasingly switching from traditional FX trading to Bitcoin. There's just so many things. The writing on the wall, strategies for 2018. So, guys, you know what? Be leery of what's going on with Bitcoin right now. I love cryptocurrency, but I'd really, 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 really start to diversify, because if that drops out and you're hoping it's going to hit $10,000 or $100,000, $20,000, whatever, not without a correction. Not going to happen, guys. Anyways, just an update. So I know everybody else is out there thinking things in their mind as well, but we're thinking that as well out here too, that the people that pay attention to this stuff. So guys, just be aware, it is hot right now. The cryptocurrency is very hot. If you're going to want to make it with a little investment, you need to watch these altcoins. All right. This is Ken with Bitcoin Crazy. Bitcoin Crazy channel in the holidays. You guys have a great day.